That's the thing with event, and that's the thing when you're like a creative person. My brain is, I always have 10,000 ideas at the minute, and sometimes I really need to quiet down and chill for a bit and put everything on paper and be like, hey, try to be rational. Oh, wait, rewind to explain you what this event is about. It's for Puma. It's for the release of the Puma 8 Street. This model is inspired by track and field. As soon as I heard it was inspired by that, there's this one idea that seems so not rational, but I don't know, for whatever reason I was like, if that is possible, that would be insane. So I started making my little research and I realized that it's totally doable. When I went to visit the venue and I was like, is this real? Like, is this actually gonna happen? On the 28th is the official release date of the shoe. We're gonna have a small activation in store with a nice window. I ordered cupcakes with the custom logos. I have a thing for branding. I need things to be aesthetically pleasing. This is my focus. Whenever I create event, I want to have like an impactful brand moment. I'm not saying cupcakes are impactful, but you know what I mean. It's a moment. People are gonna come to the store. They're gonna want to take a picture of that. This is what this is about. This and community. I'm big and heavy on the branding, and I'm even bigger and even heavier on the community part. This is so important. Back on the program. On the 4th of July, we're gonna have the influencer focus event. They're gonna be invited to that special location that I was talking about earlier. Almost everything is ordered. I just need now to order the last branding stuff that I haven't ordered yet. Okay, so we are the next day. I just arrived at the store and I'm gonna change the window to make it ready for the release of the H3 tomorrow. I just arrived at the location for the influencer thing, so on the 4th of July. I need to do some extra measurements and just double check everything and sign some papers. So the big reveal is gonna happen now. This is just a first hint, but I will show you the inside now. It's just so unreal to me to know that I'm doing this here. I don't know, I'm just so excited. Anyways, I can't wait to show you the insides. This is the main room where attendees will have the dinner with an amazing view on the track and field. Then when you go down a few stairs, this is the view they're gonna have while having their apéro. So this is stunning. This is what sold me. This is the momentum that I want to create. It's really this. I really hope from the bottom of my heart that they will feel the exact same way I feel about this. Besides the fact that these people are so nice, like their hospitality is insane. So now I still have to order a couple of stuff and then we're good and then we're ready, and I can't wait to bring you to the event. Little outfit check that nobody asked for. I'm exhausted. It's 25 degrees now. When I'm telling you we are not used to that, we are not used to that. Anyways, little update. Yesterday was quite a stressful day. We never really show when this happens, but it's just the level of stress that you experience when doing events. It's something else, especially when you're like a perfectionist, that you want everything to be perfect, everyone to be happy. See, I'm yapping again. I just received, I'm sweating like crazy. What the... This is what's gonna be on the dinner table. At the back, you have a little explanation of the H Street. People in store who purchase something also will have this in their thing. It's always an attention, little detail. I don't know, I like it. The other flyers that I got, it's such an easy step, yet it does make the difference. It's gonna be the same front, and then at the back, this is what it looks like. And what I always like to do, especially when doing seedings and working with influencers, I really like to hand write something specifically for them, because I do feel like it feels a bit more personal. It's a small detail on top of the pair that they will get. There are also other stuff that needs to be delivered. That's always the scary part with the deliveries, just hope and keeping all possible fingers crossed that everything arrives on time. But I did order beach flags, roller banners, stickers, and all these kind of things, because in this kind of event, branding is everything, especially when you have influencer coming over. It's always nice for the stories, for the content that they will make. It's always nice to make sure that your branding appears almost everywhere. That's also one thing, keeping a list of everything. This is what's gonna make you survive through the whole event scope, because without being an organized person, it's really hard. If you're not organized that you want to do events, honestly, you will learn it the hard way that you need to be organized. But yeah, that's for the, I was gonna say little, very long update. That's for the update, and the next time I see you is normally gonna be on the data. I had a little issue with my DJI, which is the reason why I have to film with my phone right now. Anyways, we will work with that. Today is the day. I just arrived at the location with, as you can see, everything that's needed for the branding, for the decor and all of that. So I'm excited. I don't feel the stress yet. I mean, there's always a bit of stress. It's more a stress of, did I forget something? That's the scariest part, I would say. But I came super early, like it's 11:20 now, to make sure that if I forgot something, I still had the time to go back and forth. So voilà. After an hour, I figured out how to put up a beach flag, and I'm not even sure about how stable that is. Let's see. Little moment of realization. What's happening? Every time I'm trying to film something when I'm doing it. See, I can't talk. I'm sweaty. I'm glad I have another outfit for tonight, but every time I think I come prepared and I don't, I forget that I'm alone in this. So I made sure to go under the light to show you my current state of sweat. Thankfully, I got my Huda beauty powder with me. This is how it's going so far. Already had the guy from the stickers that came and installed the different stickers. So I'm waiting to put the tables the other way around because that's a bit hard for me to do on my own. Let's say I tried, but I almost broke my foot. This is gonna be the entrance. Wait, let me show you the other way. This is how it looks when you come in. I'm tempted to put one of the banners here, but I don't know. I like the mirroring things here. Oh, but I still have the forex board, so maybe I can put a forex board at the entrance. That can be an option. And this is the reason why I wanted to be here. This is the view when they eat. Honestly, like, how iconic is that? Sometimes I just have to pinch myself to make me realize like how far can my idea actually go, and if I have in mind to do something, then I will do it, I guess. This is insane, honestly. Kind of want to cry, but I can't. You see the beach flag here? It's a nice touch, like it's not too much. I was a bit scared that it would be too big. Well, maybe it is actually big. I don't know. Yeah, so I will install a second one, so they will both be there.
So they were already here 2 hours before the game.
And then obviously I was so caught in a moment that I completely forgot to film a proper vlog. So I'm sorry, voiceover again, but I would like to end this vlog just by saying thank you to everyone who attended. Thank you for all the support. I know you guys will get tired of me eventually, but I'm feeling extremely blessed and grateful for these opportunities. I'm just very happy to be able to wake up and do a job that I like. Thank you guys so much for following my vlog, and I will see you on the next one.